Hello everybody and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can tribute to your allies in Age of Empires 2. So tributing can start as early as the feudal age. First thing we need to do is get a market built in order to actually send tribute. So I'm going to go ahead now and do that. If you can't see a market in the build queue here on the left, it might be because you don't have a mill. This is a prerequisite in order to be able to build a market. So once we've built the market here, you can see that we can buy and sell resources, but in order to actually send tribute, we need to come up over here to the top right of our screen where the diplomacy tab is, open this up, and we can see our ally here, along with icons for each resource. And if I want to send him resources, I can just go ahead and click on that icon and it will queue up the resources that I want to send him. In order to actually send that, I then need to confirm. Before I do that, though, I'll just show you another way of doing that. If you want to send mass resources, say 500 at a time, you can hold down Shift and then click the resource, and that will queue up 500 of each. Once that's done, you can go ahead and click Confirm, and you can see here that that has been sent, and our ally has thanked us for that. And that's it, guys. You now know how to send tribute in Age of Empires 2. I hope this tutorial has helped.